technology management review, the difference between innovation and invention. For innovation, we need diffusion with value and effect. Like this innovation funnel, Schumpeter's creative destruction shows like there's three growths in capital, population and market things, and also some two other things. And technological position market per chain model explains how innovation works. And in type of things, there can be tacit or explicit. There can be incremental or so on, and cultural text is needed. And for technological spillovers, with external network, there's for innovation type there can be product versus process, incremental versus radical, complete destroying versus enhancing, and component versus architecture. And whether it is steeper or has higher performance limit, then disrupt technology can replace incumbents. And for structure modeling, how S-curve will be, we use S-curve modeling, which is plot, floating, and forecasting. N t equals to m over 1 plus e to the a minus bt, parameters specified later. Also, there's transitional curve fluid phase and transitional phase and a specific phase. Between fluid to the transition, there's emergence of dominant design come out, and other people explained it as era of ferment and so on. The like technological cycle, discontinuity and ferment and dominant design, so on. And there's de-jure and de facto. De facto means from bottom to up, market competition. And there's concept of learning curve and returns to adoptions. If number of adopters increases, and when rate increases, it is increased rate of adoptions. And learning curve, it shows when unit productions mass unit production, the cost of unit down. And there's concept of learning effect and absorption capacity, which is related with network externalities. They make bigger install base, then it increases the complementary gears, then like they are circulated. But this network externalities increase logistically, but monopoly can increase exponentially. So at some point government intervention could be needed, is what textbook is saying. And for learning effect, it could be compared with S-curve improvement. Like S-curve, there's two S-curve. One S-curve is when you put many effort, like it will be increased with S-curve line. Learning effect is similar in a shape, but difference, which is learning curve effect shows cost per unit for the production. That's what they measure. And for first chapter 5 tells about first move advantage and disadvantage. It could be connected with increasing return, which is learning network, and externally these are advantages for fast mover, but also disadvantage and factors of optimal entry timing. There's customer preference and investment over prior enabling technologies, complementary goods, competitive events, and increasing returns, and acceptance and from so on. And AHP is technology you pairwise comparing it. So basically, like this is sector. Of each sector there will be metrics. Let's say it is gross investment, then the A company is better than B over 6 times. Then later, let's say matrix A, we will only see this example. Then we will add all and normalize it, 1 divided by 17 over 12. Then we will add them all in a row and divide it by 3, which is averaging the row. Then there will be W matrix come out. Then we will multiply matrix multiplication A and W. Then AW come out, and we will divide low wise AW divided by W. Then there will be another matrix come out. Then from that we will average the value, then it will be lambda max and lambda max minus 3, which is in this case is 3, and there will be n minus 1. Then there will be value come out. From the value, that is ci, and based on n, there is also ri values given. So we will calculate the value, and if it is like smaller than 0.1, then we can actually use it. And for DEA, we are using the linear programming. How we use it? First, DMU is homogeneous group. If you see it, DMU 1, 2, 3, all has 500 output, but they have different inputs. Based on that, we will do linear programming. We learned it in linear programming class, optimization class, and then there will be efficiency come out and efficiency reference set, and U1, V1, V2 for output and input weights. Then we can there's 3 ways. First way is just for DMU1. We can make it efficient by multiply 0.875 to each input, or there's reference set for DMU2 and 4, which is we can make it by linear combination of DMU2 and 4 by each multiplying the weight. Thank you.